Yes, Vrinda.
It's done. Okay. A very good afternoon to all. I welcome our chief guest, Tangent India President Jayashree Chaudhary, Chief 41ers Club Area 3 Chairman Mr. Alim, Chairman 41ers Tumkur 173 Mr. Pradeep Kumar. I am also happy to extend our warm welcome to our special invitees, Ladies Circle Area 6 Chairperson, Circular Nidhi Sumani, Chairperson 115 Circular Anjali Pramod, Chairman RT 173, Mr. Jagdeep. It's also a lovely pleasure to welcome the National Board of Tangent National Board, National Secretary Ranjana.
She'll join.
Yeah, Ranjana, National Treasurer Ms. Nalini Prasad, and our in-house National IRO, Smita Chopra. I extend a warm welcome to all prospective members of Tumkur Tangent Club, my dear Tangent 18ers, Chairperson of Tangent Clubs, and our honored past presidents to this Charter Day ceremony.
Past presidents Bijal and Renuka are here.
Okay. Bijal and Renuka. I welcome one and all today, and thanks for taking out your time and making this afternoon a special one. Now I would request chief guest and guests of honor, special invitees, and Tumkur incoming chairperson to join me in lighting up the candle of friendship. Jayashree, if you have a candle there somewhere?
I'll get one.
Okay.
Oh, we lost them. Let me just call.
They are there.
Where are they there?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, but I think their video went off. Yeah.
No, then who is this?
Yeah, that's there. They're there.
Yeah.
Okay, so if all just light. So we can just take a picture of the screen, Jayashree.
Yeah, I will. Just give me a moment because no, they went off. I can't see the video of Vastus.
It's frozen.
It's frozen, but they're on the screen. Yeah, it's now moving.
1 minute. The minute it comes.
Yeah, it's come.
Yeah.
Jayashree, if you can close that curtain a little bit, your face can be seen properly. Yes. Yeah.
Okay, so just take a screen picture of this one.
Yeah, just give me a moment. Yeah.
All right. Yes, Ravindra.
Yeah. All please rise. I hereby call the charter meeting of Tumkur IB Club to order with a toast to President Republic of India, Tangent India, Tangent Club International, and Association of 41 Club of India. Toast. I request all to stay raised and join for the Tangent prayer.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. For all the
gifts we
thank the God, especially for the gift
of
continued friendship. I request Preeti Asher, Secretary Tangent 18, to read the
continued friendship.
To read the aims and objects of Tangent India. Preeti, over to you.
Preeti? I think her videos.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you, Preeti.
Can you hear me?
Yes, Preeti, yes. Please go ahead. Yes.
Yeah. To continue the friendship formed in Lady Circle and Round Table, to work side by side with Round Table, Lady Circle and 41 Club of India, to share and enjoy the activities based on fun and fellowship locally and globally, to reach out to the needy and the deserving wherever possible, and to be non-sectarian and non-political.
Thank you, Preeti.
Brinda,
I request everyone to be seated. Preeti, can you read the greetings and apologies received?
Yeah, we've received greetings from past President Jayashree Thapar, from Sukanya Narayan, from Renuka Sehgal, past President Bijal Kalba, National Secretary Ranjana Singh, and we've also received greetings from T1, Tangent 2 Club, Tangent 3 Lata Paul, Tangent 5 Club, Tangent 8 Alka Taneja, Tangent 9 Archana, Tangent 10, Tangent 12 Seema Batra, Tangent 15 Namita Jain, Tangent 19 Usha Nair, Tangent 21 Deeti, Tangent 22 Sa Shelvade, Ubli, Tangent 23 Priya and Vani Salem, Tangent 24 Nargis Yunus, Tangent 32 Hemal, Tangent 33, Tangent 34 Vizag Vixens, Tangent 37 Rhythm, Tangent 38 Belgaum Club, and Tangent 39 Venu. These are all the greetings we've received till date.
Thank you so much, Preeti.
Yeah.
It's now time to introduce our charter chairperson of Tangent IV, Suma Bhanuprakash. Suma Bhanuprakash, a charter member of TLC 115, is a strong lady, because of which TLC 115 is still standing tall. She is a past president, past chairperson, and fellowship is her strong forte. She was a circler for over 8 years. She is married to 41 Bhanuprakash and blessed with a daughter, Meghna. Suma is known for her amazing cooking skills in the family and in front circle. She always gives her 100% to whatever she does. And happy to introduce her to all here. Now I take pleasure to invite our vibrant, dynamic, and tech-savvy President Jayashree and Jayashree to conduct the charter ceremony. I think Jyoti Singh Dio is not yet.
No, she is not well today, so she has apologized, Vrinda.
Okay, we have not accounted that.
Yes.
President, can you take the proceeding?
Yes, thank you so much. You have conducted the ceremony till now very, very officially and smoothly. Congratulations, Vrinda. Just like you, this is going to be another happy event. Congratulations.
Thank you.
May I now invite Vasu to come across. I'm so sorry for this. Yeah. To the front. Yes, please be standing. And may I also request
Suma is the chairperson. Vasu is
Suma. Yeah, Suma Bhanu Prakash. My apologies.
Suma, please rise there.
Please rise. May I request Nidhi Somani? Thank you so much for making the time to drive across and come here. You are the LC India Area 6 chairperson. Lovely to meet you on a forum like this. Congratulations to you on your year ahead. May I request you to please hand over now, since the jewels haven't arrived because of the postal delay.
We have one. It was arranged in the morning.
Oh, it was? Okay. Sorry. As
no worries. No worries.
Smita, you are just too good. Can you make can you put the collar around the chairperson's collar around Suma's neck, if I should say? Yes. Remember, Suma, there is only one charter chairperson that any new club can have. There will be many chairpersons after you, but you are the first charter chairperson. Congratulations to you. Please do, no, keep standing. I would like you to hand her the charter certificate. If I can just show this to everybody over here.
Yes.
Okay, just give me a moment. And while I read it out to all of you. Yep.
Yes.
It is our pride as Tangent India to certify that Tangent Club number 39 of Tumkur has been duly organized, agreed through its officers and members. They are bound by the Constitution of Tangent India and will now be a duly elected member of Tangent India. They are entitled to all the rights and privileges of membership of the association. Such an agreement being evinced by the acceptance of this certificate of charter, in witness whereof the signature of mine stands below your charter certificate. So with this, I would like to welcome all of you and welcome you, Chairperson Suma Prakash, into the membership of Tangent India and as the leader of Tangent Club number 39.
Yes,
May I now hand over the proceedings to you. Thank you, Nidhi, so much. You could be seated.
Thank you.
Suma, can you take over the proceedings of the event, of your charter? Actually, it's just not an event, it's a big event. Yes.
Yes, Suma.
Good morning, all. Thank you, Vrunda, for introducing me with your complimentary words. It's my pleasure to have you all in the charter ceremony of Tumkur Tangent Club, that is IV Tumkur Tangent Club. As the motto of Tangent Club itself depicts as friendship continues forever, even after my retirement. As a circler, my friendship with fellow circlers never newbies enthusiastic. I am very much keen to work with them, and I am looking forward to contribute to society by joining hands with our
Are they audible to you guys?
No, the bandwidth is low there. So
thank you very much.
Okay.
The logo of Tumkur Tangent Club, please.
Yes, Suma, could you just repeat that for us? The bandwidth was a little low. We couldn't hear you.
Can you please share the logo of Tumkur Tangent Club?
Yes. Yeah. I'll just do that. Okay, this is the logo, ladies, of Tumkur Tangent IV 39.
Beautiful. It's so beautiful.
Thank you, Smita. Thank you very much. Yeah.
Suma, may I invite you to now introduce your team and your members, all the charter members of T39.
Now it is time to introduce our chartered secretary, Club Tangent Vandana. Still not gone. Yeah. Vandana Vasu, charter chairperson of TLC 115, was the star chairperson in a very first year, and the circle rose to its greatest height under her chairpersonship. She is married to Dr. Vasu and blessed with a handsome son, Vikram, and a smart daughter, Rutvika. She is very enthusiastic and energetic as well. Now I request President Jayashree to bestow her with the secretary's pin.
This thing, I am pinning it to you.
Yeah, imagine.
When it comes, think of this. Think of the pin in my hand.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Jayashree. I request our
congratulations.
Now I request Charter Secretary to introduce our club members to all here.
Good afternoon. It's my pleasure to introduce members of Tangent of Tumkur. Mansi Prashant is a Charter Secretary of TLC 115. She is married to Dr. Prashant and is blessed with a daughter, which brings her happiness, Kushi. She is a past ACP of Area 6 and has a passion of clicking selfies. Good one, right? Next, Savita Bhartish. She is a charter member of Tumkur Club, married to Bhartish, who is a current AST of 41ers, Area 3. She is blessed with 2 children, Hari Krishna and Rishikesh. She was also an Area CP of Area 6, and she is lilac lady as well. She is good in everything and best support for the lady circle. Vinuta Sanjeev. She is from Hosur Ladies Circle 32. She is married to 41er Sanjeev. She is blessed with 2 daughters, Shushma Sanjeev, Pooja Sanjeev. She is a very dynamic person and also served as Area CP, Area 6. She is also a huge support to our Hosur circle.
Yeah, Vinuta.
Jyoti Harish. She is also a charter member. She is married to JBT Harish. She is blessed with 2 children, son Satwik, daughter Sanjanu. She is shy and a sweet girl, loves to travel and click pictures. What do you think?
Who told shy?
Yeah. Thank you.
Yes, Suma.
Now I request the Vice President to induct the new members with new member pins and new member kits as we do. They receive it.
No, so we'll go to the oath straight away then, no, President?
Has everybody been introduced?
Yes, everybody's been introduced. Yes.
So may I request all of you to stand as I read out the oath, and then there will be the portion of the oath that I would like you all to repeat after me.
They have it, Jayashree. So they
have it. Okay.
Unmute Vinuta and Savita.
Okay, it is our proud privilege to welcome Tumkur IV T39. What a lovely sound it has to it. Into the Tangent India movement, who are eminent past circlers and wives of 41ers or roundtablers. You have all been active members and contributed much to the welfare and growth of your circle and table, and believe in the need to continue the bonds of friendship established in circling and tabling years, and possess qualities very dear to Tangent India. You have been chosen for membership of Tangent Club number 39. May I remind you of your obligation to strive for the welfare of the club and for peace and harmony amongst the members. It is our pleasure to formally induct all of you into Tangent Club number 39 and pin you with the Tangent India pin, which makes you a member of a worldwide organization of Tangent Clubs International. The privilege of membership carries with it duties and obligations, which we are sure you will adhere to. You are duty-bound to share time and knowledge for the betterment of the members, the club, and the national movement. May I request all of you to please read out the oath of a member and please mention your name before you start. Please go ahead.
Suma.
Suma, accept most sincerely.
Suma, one second, Suma. You everybody will take their names along with you. So you say, I, Suma, then Vandana, Jyoti, Mansi, Vinuta, Savita will all take their names. Then you carry on with the oath. Yes, go ahead.
I, Suma. I, Mansi. I, Vandana Vasu. I, Jyoti Harish.
Vinuta.
I, Vinuta Sanjeev.
Savita.
I, Savita Bharti.
Yes, read further, Suma, and they'll all read with you.
Accept most sincerely the membership of Tangent India and Tangent Club, IV Tumkur Tangent Club 39. Through the motto of friendship continued forever, I hope to strive for the welfare
of the club and through it gain and extend friendship. I will at all times keep in mind the Tangent prayer and give thanks for the gift of continued friendship. I will always be mindful of the aims and objects of this movement and uphold the ideals for which it stands for. When accepting this membership, I have the obligation of attending meetings and fellowships regularly and supporting in every possible way the various activities of this club.
Wow, congratulations all members of club, Tumkur IV Club number 39, and welcome to Tangent India. Can we request everybody out here attending this ceremony to please stand and raise a toast to the new members. We want to see you all rock in Tangent India, all of you.
Yay, welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome, welcome.
Back to you, Suma.
Congratulations, Tumkur. Much awaited charter. Yeah.
I request our National Executive and Vice President Jyoti to address the meeting.
Yeah, Suma, we'll need to move on. Jyoti is not here, so go to the next.
Since Jyoti is not there, may I request the one who brought about this extension, Smita, our IRO, to talk about it, please?
Oh my. Okay, this was well. I am very good afternoon to all the lovely dignitaries present here. President Jayashree, Area Chairman Aleem, our National Board, IPP Bijal, Nalini, and all the past President Renuka, all the love. Perrin is also here. How lovely. Perrin, welcome. And the chairpersons of all the clubs that are here. A very, very warm welcome to all of you. It's indeed a very, very proud moment for me to see these babies. I call them babies because I know them since the time they were incepted in Tumkur as Lady Circle. To see them join our family of Tangents has been a very, very long-standing dream. And I'm so happy to see that you're all today into the fold of friendship and we can meet much more. We can celebrate these friendships much more and rock everywhere much more. It has been a beautiful journey getting all of them. The only delay was them growing older, which is something which was not in our hands. But now that they're all crossed that threshold of 40, here they are with us. I'm indeed very, very happy and privileged to be the one to be holding your hand to bring you this side. I've been waiting on this door a long time to bring you here. Finally, I have got you and now I can party with you rather than making you cross the bridge. So it has been wonderful. And you all have really so beautifully coordinated in your saris and put all this effort. Looking so lovely. I wish I could have been there if things were normal, if it was not for hybrid, but we will definitely make it up and we will have in your same saris one more fellowship so that we recreate this charter moment. Love you girls. Love you girls. And I'm so proud of you all. Sorry? Yeah,
I
so
will get one for you also.
yes, yes, yes. Then I'll also wear it with you. So welcome, girls. And it's such an honor to address you as the first speaker of the day. Thank you so much. Love you all.
Thank you, Smita. Thank you for your lovely words. And now I request Mr. Alim. I think Alim is not.
He's there, I think.
Yeah, okay. Hi, good afternoon, everybody. National President Tangents Jayashree, Treasurer Nalini, IRO Smita, all the Tangent dignitaries, chairpersons of New Tangent Club, and all the members of Tumkur Tangent Club. I bring warm greetings from Club 89, 41ers Club, and Area 3. Congratulations. It's a great feeling that when a new club forms, somehow or the other, we are associated, happy that Smita has put in a lot of efforts to make this happen. Tumkur has got a huge potential, but I don't know why Tumkur always shies sometime. Once they come out, they can go all out. We are proud to have Bhartesh as our incoming area vice chairman from Tumkur. Very talented guy. I think one of the best guy who can make your presentations and all the reports. I was told his wife is also equally good in doing all the presentations and reports. Just to give a background about what Area 3 41ers Club are doing, is basically Area 3 has got 45 clubs that consist of Roundtable Area 6, Area 10, and Area 13. We have 530 areas. I think most of you are aware what 41ers are doing, because most of your husbands are actively involved, Vasu to Bhartesh to Doc, everybody. We have collected close to about 25 lakh rupees of collection from 41ers and given a lot of equipment for COVID relief. And the national level,
I think he is actually traveling, so I think that's.
I think you hear me. I bring warm greetings to you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Alim. Yes, Subha.
Oh, sorry, network issues.
Yes, yes.
41ers Club Chairman, Mr. Pradeep, to address the gathering.
First, our Tangent Club National President, Tangent Club members, new members, and founder chairman Suma. Tangent Club Charter Chairman Suma Banu and Secretary Vandana Vasu and all the members. We are happy as a 41ers Club. Without lady circle, we will not form a Tangent Club. We will remain in lady circle. Now we are happy that you opened a Tangent Club, and at least it will keep us active. Especially 41ers Club, it will add strength to us to keep even the 41ers
next year you need to support your wife to join Tangent.
I will do my best, and we are happy that Tumkur has got another new Tangent Club now, and we will actively support you for all the projects you will be doing in the days to come, and you will certainly support us in conducting the socials and events on the project works. Best of luck for everybody.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Now I request Circular Nidhi Somani, Area Chairperson, to address the
Our National President Tangent Club Jayashree, IRO Smita, Area 3 Chairman Alim, Chairman of 41 Club Pradeep, past presidents of Tangent, Chairperson LC115 Anjali, Chairman Tedar Jagdish, and Jagdeep, and all other dignitaries present here from Tangent Club. Very happy afternoon to all of you. Warm greetings from LC India and Area 6 Lady Circle India. It's an honor and privilege to be here today. And after our area AGM, I was having a word with Smita, and I was telling her that we should do more things jointly with the Tangent Club, India and Tangent. And in fact, we executed a joint project few days back with the Tangent Clubs of Bangalore, of this area, where we distributed around 14,000 sanitary napkins to the BBMP workers. And it was a great project done jointly with Tangent. So when I got a call from Suma to come here for the charter ceremony, I was really very excited to be here. Thank you so much for having me over. And I'm really happy that I could have the area FC Shruti join along. So congratulations, Charter Chairperson Suma, Charter Secretary Vandana, and all other members of the club. And you have 3 past area chairpersons in your club, Savita, Mansi, and Vinuta.
Yeah, Vinuta.
Yes, three past area chairpersons. So I'm sure that this is going to be, really rocking, and friendships are going to be at a and looking forward to doing more things jointly, fellowship and projects. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Nidhi, for coming all the way from Bangalore and joining with us. Thank you very much. My pleasure. Now I request
Shruti also. Hello. Yeah, and Shruti.
Yeah, and
Shruti is our area FC.
Welcome. Pleasure to join. And now I request Clerk PLC 115 to address the gathering. Good afternoon, Manana. Dignitaries on the dais and off the dais. This is like a pleasure of mine. Adding on Tangent's club to Tumkur Ladies Circle will give more power to TLC 115. Looking forward for more support, which is always been there and will ever be there. Welcome Nidhi and Shruti. Thank you. All the best and thank you. Thank you, Suma. Thank you, Anjali. Now I request Tabler Jagdeep, Chairman of 120.
Okay, congratulations to the new club. And greetings from table 17. Round table 173. I believe this is the new club is 39th club. So that says like Tumkur. So Tumkur is one of the places which has all the 4 clubs. So one of the 39 places which has all the 4 clubs. That's truly a proud moment for us. And again, I believe your motto is to the T, together, timeless transformation together.
Yes.
And it's Tangent Tumkur, so there are a lot of T's. Hopefully, that's going to be a lot of luck to you guys. And we seek a lot of, surely we'll have a lot of collaboration and towards the project and together activity, fellowship, surely.
Fellowship, yes.
Yeah, surely. Fellowship. Correct. That's what
if you can do the potluck.
And it's also the girl power. Like we always had the circlers to complement the tablers. Now we have the tangents to complement the 41ers. So that's a lot of clubs here. Hopefully, we'll surely have a good time. We can have a new beginning. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you. Now I request the chief guest of the evening, President Tangent India, Jayashree, to address the
gathering.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm not going to read out the roll call of all the dignitaries over here because this is one meeting which each person is more important than the other. But it's wonderful to see how all the 4 clubs of Tumkur are here together to see their baby. I know you're the oldest, but to see their baby coming together to form the Tumkur IV Tangent 39, ivy. What is ivy? Ivy is that evergreen creeper which creeps along the walls and floors. And I know definitely y'all are out there to start creeping into our hearts and into all over Tangent India and into the Tangent National. Just don't stop there. You've had so many area chairpersons from your circle. Now let's see a lot of more of you in the national. We are a simple organization. We have a lot of fun that we do over here. We invite you to join in all our events, which are presently happening virtually. But along with this, we also do a lot of projects, small, big, everything that you can do within your capacity. Charter Chairperson Suma, you have the honor of being the Charter Chairperson of this wonderful club of IVT 39. Sitting next to you is Nidhi Sumani, who just drove down and she said, I have to be here with the club. That is going to make so much of a difference, not only to the LC area, but also to Tangent India. I congratulate you, Suma. I congratulate your Chartered Secretary who's sitting so gracefully next to you. Vandana, you're looking gorgeous. And I know a lot of gorgeous times are going to come across from this ivy that is going to spread its tentacles, is that a bad term? All over. Welcome, welcome to Tangent India. We are so proud to have you as our members. You all were a club waiting to happen, and here you all are. And I'm so glad it's happened at this time in my year. It's my honor. Thank you so much for giving me this privilege to be your chief guest. Thank you.
Thank you, Jayashree. Now the floor is open for any other matter.
Yeah, I'll just invite Nalini because she's to leave. So we'll have Nalini and then we can open it. Yes, Nalini. Yes, Nalini.
Suma?
Yes.
Can I?
Yes, go ahead, Nalini.
Yeah. Yeah. Hello, Suma. Good afternoon, girls. It's so nice to see all of you here, and especially the bonding between circling and tangenting. It's so nice to see a circle dignitary come for the Tangent charter and do the honors. Something very nice. And need to mention on behalf of the board, I thank Perin Pomra, our past president, who always doesn't forget to wish us on each and every charter or any function. We get her message the first. I'm very happy about that, Perin. Thanks for that, Perin. I really recognize it. Thank you so much, Perin.
And,
always a well-wisher
she's not
for
been
Tangent.
well, but she's there, right in spirit with all of us.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's the spirit. That's the spirit. And other dignitaries, other club members, other club chairpersons. So nice to see all of you here. Congratulations on your charter, Suma. And Vandana, you're going to really rock ahead, and you're going to come out in nice colors. And so happy to see you all here. And I'm happy the Amigos converted into a club. So we are losing out on Amigos, but the club is increasing. Very nice. So congratulations on your charter and God bless. Thank you. I have to leave because I'm heading for Chennai. I can't be there for the rest of the function. With all your permission, I'm just taking leave. Thanks, Smita, for this. And Smita, congratulations for you, the main reason for the club. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Jayashree. Bye.
Thank you, Nalini, for joining in. Yeah. So anyone else would like to address?
Thank you.
Renuka is here.
Yes.
Renuka.
Hi,
Smita,
I'd like to say a few words.
Yeah,
Suma.
Renuka, we were inviting you to talk.
Sorry, I'm out, so I hope I'm audible. Congratulations to Suma and Vandana, and a hearty congratulations to President Jayashree Chaudhary. This is your time. I'm so happy for you. And all the credit goes to Smita. Smita, I know you are the person behind this. These are all our close friends in Tumkur. I think we've been trying to get their club for the last 5-6 years, but the girls were not ready at that time. When we were, you remember, we were traveling.
They had to be 40. They had to be 40. Yeah. They still had to become 40.
Yes. Wonderful girls. Sorry, you can see my face. I'll just take it off for a minute because I'm out. I have to wear the mask. It's compulsory in Delhi. And congratulations. And I know you will go up the ladder. Definitely. Congratulations again. Thank you.
Thank you.
Can I address?
Yes, Pijal.
Hi, everybody. Congratulations, Suma, Vandana, and all you lovely, lovely ladies. And like Jayashree and Renuka both have said, we have been trying to get a club in Tumkur since quite a few years. And I'm so happy that, Smita, all your efforts have really, really paid off in this particular year. We did start Amigos from Tumkur last year, and the idea behind getting Amigos in different cities was exactly this, that they will act like brand ambassadors, get 5 more members who have from the ladies circle, from the roundtable family, and start a club in the years to come. So I'm so happy to see that you Amigos have finally achieved exactly the reason for which you all were formed. And this club is now 6. I mean, I heard 2 to 3 past area chairpersons are part of your club. So that sounds like, my God, this club is to reckon with. And I'm sure in time to come, you girls are going to go up the ladder. And all the best. And thank you so much for having me.
Thank you very much.
We have Perrin here, so I will just request Perrin to address us. Perrin, unmute, please. Perrin is past. Yes, Perrin. Perrin is past President, Tangent India. She's here to wish us. Yes, President.
Thank you, Smita and Jayashree and all your board members for this lovely occasion of chartering yet one more club. And during Jayashree's term, I hope she reaches the figure of 40 so that we become 40 clubs, like 41 clubs of India. And all the best to the charter chairperson and the secretary and all the members of the new club. Thank you, Smita, for inviting me to give a little talk. I'll not talk too much. Thank you.
Thank you, Perrin. Thank you so much. Yes, do we have anyone else who would like to say anything? Yes, Suma, I think we are done with our speakers. You can proceed. Oh, Savita wants to speak. Just, we have any other? Savita, yes.
Actually, on behalf of Ivy Tangent Club, I will be thanking, I can't thank enough Smita because she has been a pillar of support for us from TLC 115 days till the charter of our Tangent Club. She is one pillar of support for, and she is like a godmother for me and as well as for our Tumkur clubs, be it the TLC 115 or the Tangent Club. She has seen TLC 115 grow, fall down, raise again, and then the Tangent Club being formed. Everything is her own child. So we owe her many much, but we can't thank enough. That's it.
I'm like a proud mama, and you don't thank mamas.
But still, from our bottom of our hearts, we have to.
Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so, and I love it and cherish it.
So much for being such a support.
Thank you, dear.
I regret for not being there physically when all our girls are there. But nevertheless, we'll meet soon.
We'll meet together. We'll all meet together.
Yes.
Thank you, Savita, for all those words.
As Savita said, Smita, you are the one who stand behind the formation of Tumkur Tangent. Very much thankful to you.
Thank you.
Keep suggesting in every keep suggesting us. So I'm very much thankful to you, Smita.
Thank you, dear. Thank you. Pleasure is also mine. Thank you. Yes, we can proceed with the agenda, Suma.
I got a call from Mr. RP Venkatesh, National President of 41st Club. He also said his best wishes for the new Tangent.
Thank you. I would like to congratulate Suma on becoming the chairperson for the new club.
Stand there, stand there, stand there. And welcome. There's a small donation from my side for the IB Team 9 Club, rupees of 5,000.
Fantastic. Lovely.
That's land about the project event fellowship and the campus by joining PLC 111. I will do it like that. Thank you. Thank you.
Still joining.
Who is your secretary? Sunil.
I want to congratulate Suma Banu.
1 minute, hold it. One minute, please.
तड़ी मरे सेक्रेटरी नाम रखते हैं
ठीक है ये फोटो देख रहे हैं ग्रुप का
मानो दीदी कम श्रुति ऑफ कर
Congratulations, and also for the project from my side and my secretary Sunil side.
Oh wow, that's a lot. That's like rocking. This is Tangent receiving for a change.
Lovely. What a way to start. So much support.
We have we have a small token of love from Area 6. Wait, first, please.
Oh, so sweet. Oh. This is like all love in the air right now. How cute.
Only thing is,
so the love, Ivy love is like creeping all over now.
All over. This is like a side-by-side charter. What say you, President?
Exactly.
So just take a retake.
He's our twinkler.
We have twinklers also.
Come with us. Try, please.
Audience is a call for my. ನೀವು ಬಂದ್ರಿ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ
Suma, we can proceed with the vote of thanks now. I think that's the next one. If any other matter is done.
1 second.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much. You. Jyotiba. Thank you. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬರ್ತೀವಾ Secretary Vandana to make announcement at the date of next meeting. Yeah. Date of next meetings will be discussed and will be informed later on the 12th. Thank you. Thanks, Vandana.
87.
It has been a wonderful stay afternoon with so many lovely dignitaries and fellow Tangent members joining us. It's my honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks. Thank you so much, President Jayashree, for honoring us with your gracious presence and chattering us. It was a pleasure to have our national board here today, Vice President Jyoti Singh Dio, Secretary Ranjana Singh, Treasurer Nilani, and our IRO Smita Chopra. The IB is blossomed further with the past presidents here today. The family is complete when we have our 41ers to support us. I extend a heartfelt thanks to 41ers President, Area Chairman Ali, 41ers Chairman Pradeep, and Tevla Banu and Dr. Tevla Vasu, 41ers Vasu. Our sister organization, Alma Mater, is so special, and we would like to thank our Ladies Circle, current ACP Nidhi Sumani, and Circular Shruti, HC, CP TLC 115 Anjali, and Secretary Ansha for joining us in this momentous occasion. To respect round table and to make a complete family, with special thanks, Tevla Jagdeep, Chairman of TRT 173. And 41ers, sorry, I miss Sunil here, Secretary Sunil. Thank you. We would like to special thanks our sponsor club chairperson, Brinda, and members of Tangent 18, who had so lovingly brought us into this wonderful organization. And my most special thanks to our beloved dear Smita Chopra, who has been with us since the beginning of Tumkur Circle. There are no words to say about her. We are blessed to have her. What else to say? She brought us to this organization. We are blessed for it. Thank you, Smita. We thank one and all from the bottom of our hearts for taking time and joining us physically and virtually. It has made our charter truly a star-studded. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Lovely one.
Thank you, Vandana. Now, I hereby close the stand. Now, I hereby close the charter meeting with a toast to the sponsors Club Tangent 18. All please raise for the national anthem.
One moment, we'll just play the Tangent India national anthem on screen and then we can all join. Jayashree. Unmute, Jayashree.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा चलगतवितरङ्गा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत जय हे जय हे जय हे जय जय हे
Yeah, girls, welcome. Congratulations. Awesome. Super happy with her.
That's Suma. She was like so tense. Congratulations.
All done. With that, the charter ceremony is come to a close.
We have something little going on now.